So this is just a quick tutorial on how to do a very specific effect requested by someone on YouTube. Wanted me to make a tutorial on how to make this. So that's what I'm going to show you. So make a new scene, and we're just going to make a very fast stage for the scene itself. That look good. Now we just set up some lights. Create one light, go to MoGraph and clone object. Drag the light into the clone object and 3, 5, something around that. Then take the rotation tool and rotate the clone object 90 degrees. And then again on the clone object, change the mode to radial and the radius to something pretty big, and lift up all the light and turn down the brightness to half something. Then we're just going to set some fast settings, just add some ambient occlusion and global illumination, and to make it render faster we'll set stochastic sample and record density to low. Also remember to put the gamma to 2.2 in the if you're using cinema4d 11.5. It got a little bug. And now we will start. So get your object, the object you want to fracture. I will just use a cube. That's pretty simple. Change the coordinates and zoom out a bit. Just adjust these lights like that. Yes. Drag the cube up a bit, and then we're going to cut the cube into pieces. I'm using a plugin called Drowsy. You can download it online. I will put a link in the description. So choose the cube and go to plugins, Drowsy, and I will choose 320. And just click break now, and Drowsy will then break the cube for you, and it will be ready. So in the meantime, be sure to check out Digital Aurora, which is my new channel. It's replacing Action Alley. So head over to Digital Aurora TV and make sure to subscribe. Awesome content coming. So you can close to Rousey, and here we got our cube. And I'll just delete the material because we can change that later. That's what we've done here. I think we renamed this to broken cube or something, and just this to life, so we know what we have to what we're dealing with. Then choose the broken cube and go to the rigid body tag, and in dynamics go to trigger and press on collision. Also we need to take our floor and right click and go to MoGraph and press rigid body. So the floor will also be a collider to things that will fall to the floor. Then make a sphere and make it a little bit smaller than the object you're going to fracture. Then drag up so it's inside the object. Now take the sphere you made and click it once, go to basic, and visible in editor, just turn it off, and also we don't want to see it in the render, so take that one off. Then right click and go to MoGraph rigid body, and now we should be ready. Nope, we're not. That's because I forgot to put there. You will have to make a cloner object and then drag the sphere into that one and rigid body tag on the cloner object. Now reposition the sphere. With the cloner object and objects and type just one in here. And then drag the cloner object into the cube again. And now it should be working. Yes, it's exploding. And we can actually make it look more realistic. If you go to the floor and to the rigid body tag and then change the friction to 1.4 or something, then it will look like it's on concrete or something. It won't float around. Maybe change to 1.5, that would be a little bit better. And that's the effect. You just, you know, find some materials that will look good, and then render it and see what's going on. Maybe go to the light, add some airy shadows. It will look pretty good, I think. We'll see. I want to check out another angle like this. Something. But you get the idea. It's the explosion, and we'll just wait for it to render. I hate waiting rendering. And it looks pretty good. Well, that's it. See you next time.